What's up, TNF Nation? We're starting our 24-hour build series. The first step is putting a charging system on a YZ250X to be able to run any kind of lighting system that we need with some reserve power. So we have a anti-gravity. This is our 401 battery. Small, lightweight, packs plenty of punch. So this is going to be a necessary item. So, and we have more goodies to go along with it. Got our wiring harness and a 12-pole stator. Mine came with a 2-pole stator with no lighting coils. I added one. It was a 4-pole. You can only carry like less than 30 watts. And this is a very nice, fully machined 12-pole stator assembly. Now, my understanding is if you're running a hydraulic clutch conversion, that this pickup will prevent you from doing that. So I'm not running a clutch conversion. I'm still running the cable clutch, so we should be fine there. And here we have the Panthera's YZ250 flywheel. Very nice, high quality machine. Similar in inertial weight to a GYTR flywheel, which is what I'm running now. You can add weights to this if you want to increase the inertial weight, but I'm going to run it as is since it's similar to the GYTR. Very nice. And this is the battery box with all the associated wiring. I didn't opt for the electric start, but it has everything here, including the bar mounted start switch, or the magic button as some people like to call it. This actually goes inside the air box right behind the filter. And one reason I got the 401 battery is because it's thinner, you get more room to change the filter. Since I'm not running a starter on it, we should be fine. Even though this battery will start about 150 starts before it needs to be charged. So you could get the e-start without all the charging system. This is the ignition cover you'll get. Vented. There's a drain plug in the bottom. And these put out a lot of wattage, so they're oil cooled. So you can run whatever you want in it, whatever you run in your transmission. I run ATF in mine, so ATF will be inside of here. Very nice. We should be starting on the install on this in the next few days. So check back with us. We'll take you through the process of what I did. It's not a how-to.